Bro, calm. What if your babe no come? Wetin go so?
Hey, I swear to God, that girl, if she don't hear say data and food, I think she will come from midnight.
Like for real?
I swear to God.
Data and food.
If you want,
Now so she cheap.
I swear to God.
Data and food. How much be that?
100.
Talk am for you.
Please, I beg, stick to Palo.
No, I trust me, I got you.
How far?
You also? Yeah.
Who say them son again mash? Me cannot come disturb her now.
You're not serious.
No,
You're afraid.
You will come. You can sit down. No.
Oh yeah, now do the data for me. Make I dey go.
Calm down now.
Bro, you know what? I want to get something first.
Oh, yeah.
I will come.
Yeah.
Got you, bro.
What about you? Thanks.
Better tell this your guy that I'm not your babe, so you can just come and sit.
He's just going to get something. It's coming back. Calm
Okay.
down. Yeah. Call your account number for me.
Account number be phone number.
Oh, Abba, let me send you money. You can do that by yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? Yeah, call the number. 00 19 24 Check your phone.
Oh, mo. Tempa. Oh, it's too short, die, guy. Thank you. Wait, Jerry. See us just a tap current for person, but anyhow.
Don't let us waste time.
Waste time for waiting. I no start that thing. I beg. I dey go my own step. Hey! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost!
Calm down.
Holy Ghost fire!
Wow, this is beautiful. Really? Oh, I love all this. Thank you so much for all the clothes and shoes you bought for me. Oh, I really appreciate it.
Don't mention me.
Wow.
What's up?
Oh boy, what's up?
What are you doing?
You're just here.
Really?
I got you.
Hey, thank you so much for all the clothes and shoes. I really appreciate. Oh,
Don't mention. You know, I brought you here because my friends, they are kind of jealous at you.
Jesus. What for? As in, why?
You know, you are way pretty and you pose a threat at them.
That's funny. It's not as if I want to live the kind of lifestyle you guys are living.
You talk as if you are a
Imagine.
virgin.
Of course I am.
Well, I give you credit for that though.
Thank you.
Ruben, I can't lie to you. I could not sleep overnight, thinking of having an experience of twosome or threesome on same bed. I'm laughing.
Buddy, don't worry. I will make you experience another level now.
How?
Okay, Japan, this time you need to spend money.
Money.
Yeah.
Ruben, I don't have issue with money. I have a lot. And no one in me being in
If that should be the case, Baba, we are good to go.
Is that a deal?
Yeah, it's a deal.
Sure. Yeah, now. Let's play one more now.
Bro, how far now, bro? Come on, that man no come to do. I swear, that is far like mad.
So, you miss us to come up for this house since no bring food enter this house.
You know every time they talk. I mean, that man no capping direct.
No worry now, no worry. Now I go judge you now.
Come now, make I go buy, make I go check another place.
Are you sure?
Oh, wait. James.
Guy, you bad oh,
How far? You so sick?
Trust me.
I be bad, you did bad, you be bad. How far?
Then you leave, come up at the normal.
But no man, wait, hold on, guy. You know, say you suppose run this thing together. You take focus, I swear. You know as they run and now.
No. You never reach that level, guy.
Waiting never reach that
You
level.
never reach that level, guy. Forget focus.
No. It's another friend, a new one. Okay, no problem. Can you arrange a special girl for him?
Okay then. If he's ready to pay, I mean, big time.
You know my new friend is new in this game. So I want him to have a special girl. So Okay, you know what? I want him to taste a special girl.
Okay then. We have a deal.
Okay, no problem. But this one, hey, buddy, I know what I'm talking about. These guys I'm talking about. See, I'm But I want you to start from one.
No, I don't do one, I don't tire.
Okay. Let me please call.
Oyi. Yes? There is someone I want you to meet.
Here you go. Someone. Hope it's not that you want to introduce me to one of your men.
Oyi.
What?
Stop this now.
Stop what? See, girl, I'm not ready to sell my body for money or
and
anything.
who is asking you to sell your body for money?
Asking me to sell my body for money.
See,
To see all the masquerade put on the body for. I'm not even comfortable.
these people, they just want girls around them. I mean, just to eat, drink, that's all.
Are you sure it's just to eat and drink?
Of course. And when you are coming home, you are getting paid.
You know what? Thank you for your offer. I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry.
Ruben.
Yeah.
This is not funny anymore now. I've been waiting to solve now. This is over 2 hours now.
Guy, you have to calm down. I've been in this game for, let me say, for like 6, 7, 8 years. So I calm down ní ìwọ tó yẹ ṣe tó jẹ́ jàmbá tí olóṣòlò ṣe báyìí.
Jọ tá bá fi ogún ọdún kulẹ̀ wò lọ́jọ́ òwe gan ló máa jájà. It's getting late, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Olú ẹ̀kọ́ wà bí jókòó kan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti sọ.
Wait, sorry. Hello? Oh yeah, allow them in. Okay. Talk of the devil. They are here already. And now?
Ṣẹ̀rẹ́ mi.
Kọjú.
Ṣẹ̀rẹ́ mi yóò mi sí.
Come in. Oh my goodness.
Mr. Ren, come in, girls.
Ah, shit.
So, do you like them? Turn around. Full package.
Come in. What about the tiny lady you sent her picture to me?
Oh, that slim sexy girl.
Hey, yeah.
Well, she has gone out with another guy. with paying in hard currency.
Are you for real? Oh, hard currency $11 million. It is because you don't know him. Oh my goodness. Okay, Jakoti Ibami. One more way to answer. But that's why spec Galo Jako. So
No worry. I can manage them like that.
3 of them.
ASAP. Solo and Miami. I come in.
I'm a long ball. Okay, I'll come and check up on you later.
Check up on you. Or you come and check up on them.
Them or you?
Baba, go come and check on them. Yeah.
Mr. Body, please. Don't injure my girls.
I won't.
Take it easy.
I beg.
Let's go to
You will enjoy them, don't worry. Girls!
Okay, hey! Let's go.
Rube, let me tell you. Emma.
Daddy. What are you guys waiting for now? Guys, let's get nice.
So baby me, go buy me money change and sugar. I love you so much. Alright. To bá ti wọlé, go buy me pè Jalo.
Okay.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you more. That's my baby.
Aisha. Good. Ẹ̀rín ẹ yàtọ̀. Ṣé bí tó lọ wọ́n tọ́jú ẹ dáadáa?
Wọ́n tọ́jú mi, wọ́n try wọ́n ṣọmọlúwàbí.
Ó jẹ àsúnmẹ́rin.
Gbogbo ẹni mo jẹ.
Ó tún jẹ ẹja.
Wọ́n try gan.
Ìwọ gan ń jẹun. Báwa ni mo rí i pé tó o ṣe lọ wọn tó bá tó lọ irun ẹ dán nígbà tó ń lọ ìgbà tó dé orí ẹ burú dé ni sorry irun ẹ burú dé ni mo fẹ́ sọ.
Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sọkúsọ yín náà ni wọ́n kẹ́ wá rí àwọn níta.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ta ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sọkúsọ lò sí wọ́n ti tẹ gbò díẹ̀ rọ̀. lẹ́yìn ẹsẹ̀ ọ̀run ẹ̀gbọ́n tá a gbé fún yàn kan wọ́n ti mú un bí ẹ̀ta. ọ̀rọ̀ ìdá.
Jalo. You did this one. You did this one.
Àfà so. Jalo. Ọmọ ìṣeré fún mi. Lọ. Ó tẹ̀ kanlẹ̀. Mo enjoy ọmọ yìí. Ẹ gbádùn ẹ̀. For the first time tí ma enjoy ọmọ over 10 years. 10 years tẹ́tí enjoy ọmọ last.
Tí mo ti enjoy ọmọ.
A jẹ́ pé mi lórí yín.
Olóore mi ni ẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ mo ti try láti ṣòwò sí ẹ̀. But kò lọ. So send another account sí mi.
Okay.
So I will do something.
Ṣé kí n send you pay sí?
Ó pay da.
Ó dà. Bísí wàhálà sá. Adẹ̀kùn náwó ni.
Àwa nìyẹn o.
Ṣé wọ́n pé ibi tẹ́ ti ń gbórin wọ́n ń ṣe náwó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni?
Mo mọ̀ èmi gan ṣì máa débẹ̀.
Ẹ máa débẹ̀?
Mo fẹ́ ra jẹ̀dí lọ́wọ́ woman tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe náwó.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tó ṣe ń sẹ̀ á fẹ̀sì ká débẹ̀.
Ìjálọ.
Bísí wàhálà sá.
Nǹkan tí màá ṣe fún ẹ sìn ó máa ju tí mo ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ.
Ẹ ṣú ọ.
Ṣé mo mọ́fo fún ẹ rí ni? Ìjálọ.
Tẹ bá tún ní ìdí ọmọ ẹ tètè jẹ́ kí n mọ̀.
O ní problem.
Ẹ ṣú ọ.
O ní problem. Ìjálọ.
My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. Yeah. My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor.
Ayé máa jẹ́ kí n tó kú sẹ́. Ayé Rúbẹ́nù ni dá. Nǹkan tí Rúbẹ́nù ń jẹ rí. Baby, come on. Baby. Yeah. Okay. Wait. No, wait. I don't know. You walk up, wait. You do. I don't know. You walk on there. Hold on. Walk on there. Ruben, nǹkan tí ṣe mí, I'm not myself. Please, I need your help, ṣàlàyé mi. Ṣé lè bá mi rí Mickey àti Mọ́tì? Ọmọ yẹn ti bà tèmi jẹ́. Ruben, I'm coming. I'll call you back. Hold on.
What's so happening?
Shit, you feel bad,
please. Please.
For what? Stop, Joe. Ogunfe, why are you not dressed yet?
I'm not okay.
But I've paid you.
Don't
Do you still want money?
Please.
I'm not doing my back and I not cover one more asap. I not do. I beg in the name of God. Mo fi tito bi Ọlọ́run mo fi bi ẹ ṣàánú mi. Má bà tèmi jẹ́ ṣàánú ayé mi. Gbogbo ẹni tí bà tèmi jẹ́ wọ́n fi mèmí ní mi ò gbọ́. Ayé mi. Wọ́n ń kọ́ mi. Ọlọ́run mi. Ẹ ṣàánú mi. Ta ló máa gbọ́? Torí sọ mi máa bá mi ní àbá mi. Mo ti ṣe ayé jẹ́. Mo ti jẹ odidi màálù, mo ti dókun màálù jíjẹ. Mo ti sọ.
You see this year. If I see this year, I see this year next year. Kò sí kú lójú wa o. Àtíkè lakùn. Ṣòkòtò péńpé ìṣe níkà. Omi gàrí ìṣe wọ́tà. Ẹja dídí ìṣe fish. Ọmọ Yorùbá the president irọ́. Ọmọ yẹn lọ bá gángè. Everybody dey ṣaka, we dey ṣakarin. Yẹ́wọ́ dé wọ́n lọ́dún yìí, wọ́n ṣakarin. Yé! Iná gbé bàbá ẹ alágbàkú ọmọ wèrè ìyá tàtú sáyà. Ọmọ ìkọ́ lílé ni ọmọ tó yẹ pé ìgbà tó dé tó ń ru ẹrù kan pẹ̀lú gáwọn lórí burúkú báyìí tí ò fáyìn tó wà wọlé. Wọ́n ti sọ ọmọ ìdólóṣù mo dáràn. Gbogbo ilẹ̀kẹ̀ táwọn olóyè máa fi sọ́rùn ní wèrè fi sídìí. Ẹni ìṣe ẹ̀fẹ́ràn kóbìnrin máa fi lẹ̀kẹ̀ sídìí. Máa fàjà máa ń dì ní láìkẹ́. Ọmọ ti fẹ́ lọ bá yí ọmọ ẹ jẹ́. Ta ló ní nọ́mbà ìyá ọmọ yìí o? Ní ìbá pè ya rẹ̀. Ìbílẹ̀ dìbà mi.
Why are you behaving this way?
How am I behaving?
I mean, why did you leave your boyfriend alone inside?
Excuse you. And when did I introduce him to you as my boyfriend?
Babe, you've told me a lot about this guy.
So, how does that mean he's my boyfriend?
Whatever. It is not a good thing that you left a visitor alone in the house.
Yes, that's exactly what he deserves.
Please. I dey feel for the guy.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ Oyinda?
Baking.
You have been showing me some attitude since I came. Ṣé náà ò dùn láti rí mi?
Dùn fún kíni? Why did you tell me you coming?
Kò yẹ kó tí bí ẹnu, mo kàn ní kí n fi ṣe surprise visit ni.
So, kò yẹ kó pọ̀lẹ́ sọ fún ẹ pé this is a learning environment and not my house you can come in unannounced.
Ṣó ju ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí lọ ni? Oyinda, ṣebí ìwọ ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀?
When are you going?
Ìtumọ̀, èwo ni when are you going? Ṣé náà ò dùn láti rí mi?
I said when are you leaving?
Kò sí wàhálà o. Èmi kàn ní kí n yọjú sí ẹ pé kí n wà àlàáfíà ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé kí n máa lọ?
Please leave.
It's really over between you and them, Oyinda Mola.
What was that supposed to mean?
I mean, the fact that you guys don't stay together doesn't mean you shouldn't check on each other, right?
Babe, see, what kind of friendship do you expect me to have with someone that has chosen to be wayward? I don't want her to stay in me.
I get your point, but then, babe, she's still your friend. You can't change the fact.
No, I will not accept that. She was my friend.
Okay. You know what? Why don't you try to call her attention? You might be the only one that can save her.
I've done that before separating myself away from her.
She's
not ready to change.
That's true. I called her some time ago. She said she knows what she was doing and she'll leave her alone. So, I think...
Same thing she told me when I talked to her about it.
I think her choice.
She's choosing it.
I mean, no, they go.
Hey, babe.
Hi, darling.
Babe, what's up? Kilo shame. Nothing, I'm fine.
This was actually what he told me this morning. Eh? Tí o kò wà ní school kò máa gba lecture. You're here crying. Ó wá sọ pé nothing.
Dami, I'm fine.
Nothing, you are fine. Okay, you are keeping things from me, right? Are you trying to hide something again?
I said I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm fine, Odenke. What is wrong with you now?
What is it? What is it now? Calm down. Kenny, there's something I need to tell you. Kenny. Mr. Larry, I just got an alert of 100k from him. Look at it. Jojo. Is it because of 100k you want to kill me?
You know, I'm surprised because I didn't allow him to touch me and he sent me this.
He even reported you to me.
Please, let me to beg him. You know, he's such a nice man.
He's a nice man. And you treated him that way.
How was today's lecture?
I can't really say much. I don't even concentrate. I can't.
Why?
I'm just thinking about you.
Yeah.
But I can't believe you are dating.
This is a dream. Please don't wake up.
You are not serious.
Abina.
Hold on, Ola.
Ola, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
You said you always liked me.
Yeah.
Why don't you walk up to me since all these days?
It's the reason I'm saying I come into that time as a broken girl. You go rubbish me now.
Wait, you can't give me liver now.
Well, you don't leave a pass to get money in my pocket now.
Oh, you tell me say you get money.
You can testify now, you don't whine.
Just they play. I don't know.
Sáyé ohun ìbẹ́ bàjẹ́. Ẹ dákun, ṣé ẹjọ́ sẹ́ni tó ń gbé yìí gan-an tó bí lọ́mọ? Àwọn ìyá ló ń gbé ìyàwó yóò tó ọtí. Ọkọ̀ ọmọ náà lọ́kọ̀ ọkọ̀ ṣubú ní. Wo irú yín lẹ́mọ̀ gbowó jógá ẹ gbowó fì lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí ẹ máa kó báwọn eléyìí. Tí ẹ ti pẹ̀yìn kìn.
I can't understand.
Make me understand you, madam.
You see, I was scared yesterday.
You were scared. Tell me something. Are you a virgin?
Well, for your information, I am a virgin.
So tell me, how long do you intend to keep it?
You see, my dear, it's not easy. I really wish I can help myself out.
Wait. You know you can always talk to me, right?
Yeah, you see, my mom made me swear to her that I must keep my virginity till I get married. Like, for how long do I know I will keep holding on to this pain?
Wait. You don't have to cry.
See, that's the reason I kept distance from guys. Like, I'm tired.
Then if you are really tired, there is a way out.
Way out?
Yes. Firstly, I would not advise you break the oath covenant you made with your mom. But there is a way we can do it that you enjoy yourself freely.
Please tell me more.
You see, there are girls like you that does not want to lose their virginity till marriage. So, when do Hannah.
Goodness. Have you tried it before?
Of course. That was what I started with. Because the normal day very painful.
Are you telling me it is not painful or what?
Not really, but it's not as painful as the normal one. Yes, and you will enjoy it over and over again. 100. Yes. Let's go.
My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. Neighbor and I.
Babe, what's happen? This one where you don't get joy for you. Listen, listen. For real, I don't get joy. I talk calm. What's happen now? Talk to me. You don't notice say this or in Damola. She just separated us from her friends. Are you serious? Actually, I won't make you rephrase what you just talk about for in Damola. What's funny? I intentionally want you to rephrase what you just said about Oindamola. That Oindamola collected our friend. What do you mean? What do I mean? So this thing feel vex you. Like your body feel the pepper. Just like the way Sharon was complaining about you. That Queen was on you. Taking you house every now and then. So this thing feel the pain, you feel the cry. Alaye, your time don't go. Another person don't enter. So make sure you enjoy. Now you see you. Jealousy.
It is sound like this. So, if you want to know, so just come to this side. She grab. You will calm down. Use your scores.
Apple boy.
Yo, bro, how far now? How far?
Show.
How far? Oh, nothing stop, Sha.
Show.
You see, I come. So, they run this thing. So, the update on finish. I'm asking. Bro, what's up now? This up. Guy. How far, my guy? What's up?
Guy. No guy, me, sir.
What's up now?
Guy. I know like as they allow this strikes making the entire cabal.
Guy, calm down now. Wait till they follow me calm.
See, listen to me. This isn't this thing where they do well. She can't say with this.
You know what is up? At least around this week, I should be done with updating the show. You know good thing now. You don't mean anything. Trust me, bro.
So now you don't become sharer of update, are we?
Kai, no panic. Where they go? You only carry me go far. You know, say we rise by lifting others. As they talk on. Guys, compose. No panic. Nothing goes up.
Sorry, legend.
Come on. You know, so I maintain my steez.
I will remind you.
Nothing goes up. Should he go out? Bro. Alpha, bro.
I did.
Never follow this bro cap now.
I follow and I know.
Come.
Báwo la yẹ wọ́n ṣe ní bàjẹ́?
Mọ̀dé àgbàlagbà tó sára. Àǹtí ẹ̀ stop.
Báwo ni ayé wọn ṣe ní báyìí?
Ẹ̀yin fans ẹ̀ wo security. Ayé ẹ̀ ti fọ́ sílẹ̀ o. Ìtòbó ṣe rìn. Peter ṣe rìn lábẹ́ wọn.
Wetin dey happen for here?
Ọ̀gá, wọ́n ti ń bí nínú. Na so me sef just see am this morning.
So ìgbà tó wá wà mí báyìí, o ò lè kọ́ṣọ́ wọn. O ò lè kọ́ṣọ́ àwọn student on snap ẹ̀.
Ọ̀gá.
So you don't know say this thing is a disgrace to us. You don't know? Hey, stop all this nonsense. What's wrong with you?
Ọ̀gá ẹ jẹ́ wọn post nǹkan tí wọ́n post. Ẹ jẹ́ wọn post nǹkan tí wọ́n post. Ẹ yóò lè kọ́ ìyìn yòókù lọ́gbọ́n. Sorry, yóò lè kọ́ àwọn ará yòókù lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ má bínú.
You must be very stupid.
Ẹ má bínú.
Hey, will you stop that? Hey, Bobby.
Ọ̀gá ẹ gómìnà.
Is anything wrong with yourself?
Ẹ gómìnà jọ.
Come on, get away.
Ẹ gómìnà jọ. Ibà bẹ́ẹ̀ calm down. Ibà bẹ́ẹ̀ calm down. Ọ̀sẹ̀ wà. Gbọ́ngàn kó mi bá jà rẹ̀. Gayọ̀.
But hey, come back here.
No, sir.
You know, say the thing wey you do, you wrong, sir. You no know.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Ojú tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi ojú òtí mi, ìwọ ló lójú tí o.
Ní èso mi olórí ibú ni.
Look at this video, máa gbọ́ bóyá ń mú
Ọmọ tá a kọ́ tí kò gbẹ̀kọ́ ló gbélé ta kọ́ ta.